So now we're going to talk about linear systems. We're going to start with a bit of a warm-up though. So first we're going to talk about what a solution is. It's a word that we throw around sometimes, but we don't necessarily always know what it means. So for example, what is the solution to the following equation? So I give you this question and I say, what is the solution? And you might do some algebraic manipulations, and you'll find out that the solution, after a while, you can move like the 1 over or divide by 2, and you'll find that x equals 3 is the solution. But what does that mean? Why is 3 a solution and not, say, 7? And the reason is because that is the thing that actually makes this equation true. It makes one side equal to the other side. So if I plugged in 3, into this equation, so 2 times 3 plus 1 equals 7, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, and indeed 7 equals 7. If, for example, I had maybe said that x equals 4 was a solution, and then if we tried to plug that one in, it would be 2 times 4 plus 1 equals 7, 8 plus 1 equals 7, 9 equals 7, and that's not true. So x equals 3 is the solution to this equation, and there are no other solutions. Now let's say, what is the solution to to this equation? So here we have two variables. So we have x's and y's, and we want solutions to that equation. And you could pause the video and try to think of some solutions yourself, for sure. So for example, some solutions may be so 3 and negative 1 might be a solution. 4 times 3 is 12, negative 3 times negative 1 is 3, 12 plus 3 is 15. Maybe I should have started with an easier one. Let's do 6 and 3. That would be another solution. Right, so 4 times 6, if I plug these numbers in for the appropriate letters, 4 times 6 is 24. So that gives us 24 minus 9, which is 15, which is equal to 15. And we're good. And there's more solutions, right? There's, if x is 9, then y would be 7. We could have x equals 6.75 and y equals 4. There's many, many solutions, and in fact there are infinite solutions. There's an infinite number of solutions to this equation over here. So before, when we had this equation, there's only one solution. X was 3, that was the solution. There were no other solutions. But now, we have an infinite number of solutions. As a side point, we could write these solutions like so. When we have a point, we're saying that's the x, that's the y. X is 3, y is negative 1. This solution could be written as 6, 3, 9, 7, 6.75, and 4. And so there's an infinite number of points which are solutions to this equation. Now, infinite number of solutions does not mean that everything is a solution. For example, 3 and 3 is where this is the x and this is the y, is not a solution. 12 minus 9 is not 15. So when I say infinite solutions, I don't mean that anything is a solution. I'm just saying that there are a very, very large number of solutions.